Hello and thank you for watching. In this episode, we'll see about the progress I've made at the end of the cellar. I've been digging around the stone stairs, so we'll see the result. We'll talk a bit about what I need to do in the next few weeks. So first, a quick montage and then the commentary in situ. So this is where I am. I have dug up all the dirt that was here and I have joined my trench that I did earlier. So here we have the ground, the cellar ground, so this is bedrock, and here we have the floor that I've dug up. So this floor is, I think, a protection for the tunnel that is running underneath. So as we have seen, there is a tunnel that is at the end in the secondary cellar, and the beginning, I think, is here. So in order to protect this tunnel, we have this floor with the huge stone here laying on top to protect it. I don't think I will be digging up the stones. I think I will keep the level as it is. Maybe I will try to see what's underneath one of the stones, just to have a look and see how it's done below. But for now, anyway, I want to keep it as it is. One of the things we can see is that here there was a couple of centimeters of dirt atop the stones, and I think it was the original level of the cellar, because the last stairs, the last step here, we can see the edge is very sharp if we compare it to the other steps, which are much more rounded. So this stair, I think, was underneath some dirt and wasn't used as much as the other. So it makes sense to me that originally the circulation layer or level was here, and then we can see during different time there were different level put on top of that. But I think the original layer is right here. And for me, it's, I don't know. I think I will keep it that way for now, and we'll see. So what I need to do next, I want to continue to dig on this side. I want to meet up with the hole here. So I want to see how it's done underneath here. So I will have to move the stones on this side. And since I'm digging up so much dirt all the time, I need to have some space at the entrance. Here is all the dirt that I removed. So I put the piles at the entrance. As the same as before, I will be calling the vacuum truck. Except this time I didn't put as much effort into sorting big rocks from the dirt, so there is a lot of rocks in here, but I think it will be okay. It will go through the vacuum truck. So let's hope it will be okay. But I think I will be needing more space in here to put some dirt. I want to put a lot of dirt here, and I will be removing those stones. So it's a bit of a pain, but I have some space here, and I think can be used to put a lot of stone on this side. So I need to dig around here, see how it goes. Another project I have is to destroy the wall here, because right now it's quite difficult to access the secondary cellar, so I need to put the wall down. Maybe if later I feel the need to have another wall, I will be doing something newer. Another thing I want to do is replace this lintel, because I fear that this part was supporting some weight, but in fact it's not supporting anything. I can move it with my hand, and here everything is quite loose. So it really isn't supporting anything crucial. I think all the weight is going through here, but I will have to be, yeah. So yeah, I want to destroy the wall, I want to replace the lintel, and I still will be digging up in here. So I think I will be calling the vacuum truck at the end of the next month, something like that, and yeah. But I'm pleased with the result. I think I can see things a bit more clearly in here. I think it's a good place to stop the digging in here, and we'll see. But it depends of what I want to do with the cellar, so I don't know how it will pan out. Thank you for watching. That will be it for this episode, and I'll see you on the next one.